Are you struggling with note-taking during the TOEFL listening section? In this video, we will explore effective tricks for fast note-taking. These strategies will help you succeed in your TOEFL exam. First, let's understand why note-taking is essential. In the TOEFL listening section, you'll hear conversations and lectures. You need to capture key information quickly. Now, let's dive into some practical tips. Start by using symbols and abbreviations. Create a personal shorthand to save time. For example, use BC for because and with for with. Next, develop a consistent structure. Divide your paper into sections for different speakers. This will help you track conversation flow easily. Listen for main ideas first. Focus on the speaker's main point before details. This will guide your notes effectively. Practice active listening. Concentrate fully on the audio. This skill enhances your understanding and retention. Now, let's look at an example. Imagine you hear a lecture about climate change. Write down terms like global warming and carbon emissions. Highlight important statistics mentioned. Remember to review your notes after. Summarizing them helps reinforce your memory. To recap, use symbols, maintain structure, listen for main ideas, and practice active listening. Start implementing these tips today for improved performance. Ready to transform your TOEFL preparation? Check out our Transform Academy course. Click the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.